And when I did, you could see the queue stretching all the way from the station through to the venue. Out the cab, I've joined possibly the longest queue of my life that went all the way around the venue.
Made it.
Queues and queues and lines and lines. This line here was for the foreigners with overseas tickets. Rumour has it they got to queue jump. Despite having a supporters court ticket, I was far too late to make most of it, as you're supposed to have got there at 9 a.m. Stuck in the queue till about 12 o'clock at this point. We finally reached security. Through security, another half an hour of queues, until finally we made it. Tokyo Game Show 2023. Now once you are finally in, you'll notice that it's loud. It is noisy, it is smelly, and it is full of people. Tokyo Game Show is crazy. The next thing you'll notice is that it should probably be called Tokyo Camera Show. Probably about 5 to 10% of the attendees are here to appreciate Japanese culture. I mean, I just had a standard Sony camera, but some people had portable studio lighting, it seems. So you will spend most of your time walking through extremely tight crowds and not being able to see much. By the time I got here, the queues to play any games of any significance were about 90 minutes to 2 hours long, possibly even longer. Some highlights then. The Tekken 8 stand was really cool and had a very, very cool looking panda statue thing and some costume people. Google had a huge presence with Google Play. Now I have an Xperia phone, so I had to go and see this, and it was quite sad really. Take a look. Yeah, who's going to be playing this on a phone? No idea. Konami had a huge stand up for another remaster of the Metal Gear Solid trilogy. Square Enix was present and correct for Final Fantasy VII Rebirth. I'm probably actually going to play this, unlike 16, which looks terrible. You walking through crowds is the real TGS experience. Most of your time here will be spent doing this. Between the halls you can grab some fresh air, and you used to, I think, see the costume people out here, but maybe not this year. Everybody's favourite Chinese gacha gambling game, Genshin Impact was here, and Star Rail and all of that stuff, with a huge presence and a huge stand. Far more fun is the indie game stuff. Japan has lots of gaming universities and you can play the students' projects. Genuinely heartwarming. I mean, look at this strange Matsuri simulator thing. The guy has a stick, 2 sticks in fact, and he's genuinely going at it. These students have made a sword and shield simulator thingy. Students from this university made a very strange game that I couldn't figure out what on earth they were doing. Interestingly, LTEC were here. LTEC made a dance pad that I had in my shed in Manchester for a bit of exercise, and now it looks like they're making an entirely original, obviously, game called a Beat Tone, I think. Very good. Well done, Poland. Enjoy some more footage of shuffling very slowly through crowds. This cluster stand was huge. I don't know what they were doing. It's some weird VR metaverse thing, but it's probably a bit 2021. I wouldn't be investing in this. If you have enough Google Play points, as in you spend all your money on gacha, you get to charge your phone for free and get a water bottle. Very good. Also, there's a dancing octopus crab mascot thing. Yeah, see you, buddy. He has a necktie on. Very cool. It's not just games, it's sort of peripherals as well. I mean, look at these gamer racer chair things. It's, yeah, pretty cool. Fun fact, I actually have this standing desk in my house. It's great. These guys were trying to take a photo of the desk, but this lady got in the way. YouTube were here with the Creator Lounge. If you have enough subscribers, apparently you get a private space to edit your videos in, and that will likely never be me. When our favourite Chinese gacha company started getting the actors out, it got really busy. So after all that walking around, we decided to try and get some food outside at the food court, but the queue was absolutely insane. Look at this. There was absolutely no way ever that we're going to wait for food in this queue. So we ended up back in the Korean section of the conference, and Samsung obviously have the biggest presence here, selling their SSDs with free advertising for other game makers. Very good. Twitch was here as well. Apparently you could queue up to meet a Twitch streamer. I swear there was more cosplay 11 years ago, but this Nier Automata one was sick. My favourite stand was the Black Magic Design one. Got these dope stickers. I use DaVinci Resolve to edit these cringy videos, and it looks like they're getting heavy into the streaming side of things. I've been streaming on and off for a while, and if you do a full Black Magic Design setup, yeah, that's going to cost an arm and a leg. No idea what was going on over there. So after that whirlwind 2 or 3 hours, it was time to finally find some food. So I said goodbye to the show floor, goodbye. And we found a secret family restaurant with a curry, lovely, and some karaage. After scoffing that down, I was extremely tired, man. Just, So it was time to say goodbye to Tokyo Game Show 2023. Thank you very much.